In this quick video, we're going to show you how to replace your ADF or auto darken filter on your Z-Link welding grinding respirator. First, you want to remove the weld visor when it's in the down position. That makes it easier for when you come to reattach it once we've done replacing the auto darken lens. With the visor now removed, you can then release the two clips on the inside that hold the ADF retainer in place. Just by spreading those two clips apart, allow that retainer to come off the visor. You can then remove the main protector lens for the auto darken lens by squeezing together on the 2 points and allowing that to come out of the locators. With that lens now removed, you can then press down on the tab at the bottom of the visor that holds the auto darken lens in place. You can then come behind and gently ease that auto darken lens out until it comes out of the visor. Before you install the new auto darken lens, you need to make sure that the rear protective cover is in place. This stops any weld sparks or grinding sparks from damaging the inner side of the auto darken lens. To reinstall, first you want to make sure that the top locator is in position. Then you simply just clip the bottom into location until it clips behind the clip at the bottom. With that now in place, you can then reinstall the protective lens. Again, it is important that these are in place, otherwise the weld splatter could damage that auto darken lens. Then you can reinstall the weld lens retainer by first mounting it into the two locators at the bottom and then rotating it until it closes and then clips together at the top. Then you can attach your weld visor back onto your Z-Link and clip the sides together, and that's how to replace the auto darken lens on your Z-Link.